Hello, we're the History Hikers. I'm Dries.
And I'm Jente.
And we are standing in front of the castle Landshut, of Burg Landshut. Bergkastel is the town called, I believe.
Bernkastel.
Bernkastel, sorry. It's looking pretty impressive from here, the castle itself. Do you have any small facts we should know?
Well, small fact, it was built in the 13th century by the Archbishop von Pfingstingen. But before that there were at least 2 older castles, and even before that it was a Roman place. They found lots of Roman interesting stuff here.
Oh, cool. Right, let's check it out.
Majestically enthroned above the old town of Bernkastel stands the castle ruin Landshut. A visit to the castle is rewarded with impressive views over the magnificent Mösel landscape.
The Castle of Landshut is one of the oldest structures built in the Mösel Valley. Archaeologists date the first habitation of this hill to the 4th or 5th century. On the foundations of a Roman fort, 2 medieval castles were built and destroyed in 1017 and 1201 respectively.
The first known owner of the castle in Bernkastel was the Provost Adalbero, brother of Empress Kunigunde. In 1238 the castle passed to the Counts of Salm, who, however, due to lack of money, sold the castle to Heinrich von Pfingstingen, Archbishop of Trier.
Heinrich built the 3rd iteration of Landshut Castle in 1276. His successor, Bohemund I, spent a lot of money to equip the castle with magnificent columns, beautiful chambers, towers and strong parapets. He also wanted to raise the town's reputation and obtained town rights for Bernkastel in 1291. The castle was first referred to as Landshut in 1505, being known as Bernkastel before. The name Bernkastel is derived from Princastellum, Latin for first castle.
Through power, greed, hatred and war, the castle was destroyed 3 times, a final time in 1692. An unfortunate fire gives us the ruins we see today.
That was Landshut Castle, Burg Landshut. It was quite impressive.
Yes, very impressive.
Very nice to be able to walk around for free. Just the tower is €1. Time for the arbitrary subjective castle score, I believe. I'm gonna go an 8. Lots of information, some nice details around. What do you think?
I also think an 8. We could walk everywhere safely.
Lovely restoration.
Oh, and the view.
No arches.
What?
No arches.
No arches, no vaulted ceilings, I know.
Oh, some arches, doorways. We're the History Hikers, thank you for watching. Give us stuff.
Like, comment, subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this video.
Thank you. Until next time.
Bye.
Bye.